Many people don't know what micellar water is, so in today's video I'm going to share exactly that. So what exactly is micellar water? Well, micellar water is basically a gentle yet effective skincare product that helps to remove dirt, impurities and makeup from your skin. Now, how does it do that? It has something called as Micelles, which are these tiny molecules that act as magnets. So imagine when you swipe your face with micellar water, there are these tiny magnets that attract all the dirt and impurities including makeup from your skin, and it cleans your skin in just one swipe. Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water is a really popular and well-loved micellar water. Not only is it gentle on the skin, but is also suitable for all skin types. Plus it's free from sulphates and parabens, so you can feel good about using it on your skin. It removes 100% dirt, dust, pollution and sunscreen. Using micellar water is super easy. Just pour a small amount onto a cotton pad, gently press it onto your skin and swipe away. And remember, it's not as harsh as traditional cleansers which strip away your natural oils, which leaves you feeling super dry. You know how some drying cleansers make your skin feel really tight and dry? So good micellar water shouldn't do that. Typically, you don't need to rinse your face after using micellar water, but I would recommend you to double cleanse. I can't stress enough about how important double cleansing is in your skincare routine. Double cleansing basically means to clean twice. So in this case, the first step would be to use micellar water, which removes all the makeup, sunscreen, oil-based impurities sitting on your face throughout the day. Then for your second cleanse, you use a water-based cleanser for a deeper cleanse. This ensures that your skin is completely clean and makeup free, which also helps to create a clean base for the rest of your skincare products to penetrate better. Whenever any of my cousins or any beginners in skincare and makeup ask me how they can remove their makeup, I always recommend them micellar water because it's so easy to use, so perfect for a beginner. Garnier offers a variety of micellar waters. The pink one is great for everyday cleansing. The oil-based micellar water is perfect for removing heavy waterproof makeup. And if you're looking to brighten up dull skin, vitamin C micellar water is the way to go. Here are some more benefits of using micellar water other than the ones I mentioned earlier. Since it's a no-rinse formula, it makes micellar water a convenient option for quick cleansing, especially when water is not readily available. Its convenient packaging and no-rinse formula makes micellar water a travel-friendly skincare option as well. Micellar water can be used throughout the day to refresh and cleanse the skin. Micellar water also balances skin pH. So if you want to try out micellar water for yourself, make sure to check the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like this video and comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!